So sensor, and this is Max TPMS.
Sensor lang. Ano dalawa na to? Nag-aaway pa. Oh, di ba? Check mo muna kung anong frequency niya.
In order to check the frequency.
Do. Oh!
Wait. Okay. Wait. So this is the module.
Oh,
OBD module. Then this is Maxi TPMS. Okay.
You
want to check the frequency.
You go to here.
Toolkit. Okay.
Okay, click. Then no need read. Accept.
No, just accept it.
Then you go there. The first one.
RKE and RF.
Then click. Then
this is the
key.
You will see there's
frequency
0% 0 megahertz signal received. So nothing received. So you just bring your key remote key for the pub. Then press any key.
Yes. Any button.
Yes. Let's say %315 megahertz signal received.
Okay. Now
that is the purpose of checking megahertz.
Because have two kinds of frequency.
433 and
315. Then you go back.
Then update or what?
TPMS. Okay.
TPMS.
Click. No need to read again.
It will take time.
So you go to Europe.
Go to Europe.
315, di ba?
315.
You go to, because most of Europe is 433, okay?
We will go to America.
So we go to North America, okay?
North America loading.
Okay.
Then
you put, you write the bin number.
Their number. Showing there.
Okay?
Okay.
Then okay.
Now it's copy. Wait. It's already copy. Recognition result. So this is the bin number.
Okay. Just make okay.
Just click OK.
Then
0808 August 2008.
You click this have to 2008 and 2009 to 2013. Okay.
You just click the
2008
because this is belong to 2008. Month is August.
Now you will start to check the all sensor.
Check all the sensor. Okay, let's go, baby. Roll down the glass for better and purposes system. You need to roll down half the glass, enough to access inside, because you insert the key. There are some cases it will lock. I don't know.
Come here.
Nakapost pala yung kanina.
Ano mo gusto?
35.00. The left side is 34.2. Probably damage, sorry. You see?
See?
So giving alarm.
Hold. Fail.
Okay. The rewrite is failed.
Other one. The last one. Nagbablog kami. Okay? Okay.
See? Response immediately.
Only one sensor damage.
Rewrite.
Now you make a diagnostic, okay? You may have problem.
After that,
yes, you need to click on.
you need to switch on the ignition key.
Then you go here.
We will go on the
Diagnostic.
Just click the diagnostic.
Just wait a minute, huh? Okay, few seconds. Have one diagnostic detect. Okay, we will check what's
What's the problem?
Oh, what the problem?
Just click details.
Maybe
That's the
sensor.
information.
Okay?
What's that one?
Clear.
Clear
Yung dinetect mo.
DTC.
Oh.
Clear DTC. After. Gagaling yung ano.
Dito yun.
Ayan doon.
No, okay.
Clear DTC. Okay.
No, nothing. Now we will check the new sensor, huh?
So we will install the new
Compatible
sensor.
or no, okay?
Compatible. We will proceed. So where's the new sensor?
Meanwhile, according to the carton, huh?
It's genuine according to the carton.
Okay?
What's the? Oh, made in China.
Okay?
This is genuine.
We will check, huh? We go. Now,
5 pounds. Okay.
we go here. Where sensor carbon, huh?
Need to click that sensor.
Damage. Not working.
Not working here.
Okay? Then
There.
check.
Just mount there.
Then check. Okay? Then
Check.
trigger again, okay?
You need to press the trigger.
Yes.
Trigger.
Now, okay. Working.
Now it's working. So it's working now.
Okay?
315. Rear right. Pressure is 00 because still there is no. Okay, our sensor is still in outside the tire. Then next process.
Let me fix. Okay?
Okay. The next process is we will mount on the tire on the rear one. Okay. This tire sensor is indicating damage. Foot mounting base. Kamayin mo. Galag Tagalog eh.
Ito na simula eh.
Nataka na simula eh. Edit ko na lang.
Ha?
Edit ko na lang.
Ba't ganda na simula mo? English na eh. Sige, antay kita. Okay. Dapat mag-English ka rin kasi. Oh, ano yan?
This is Yukon. Okay, next is need to check it. Recheck.
Because no pressure, no?
Just
Okay.
click it again.
No, okay.
You see there's a 35 PSI white line.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we go to programming.
Next step is programming.
Just
Switch
switch
on.
on. Wow.
Switch on. Okay.
Okay. Then
It was service tire monitor
okay.
system. Okay.
So you need to go here for relearn. You see, is that the relearn, huh?
Just search the relearn.
Then just
Then
click.
the relearn.
We have two options, huh?
Where's
You
the
want, you want manual or OBD?
manual is
Yung normal lang, parang yung lumang sensor.
so we are using OBD. That is the OBD that we have. Okay,
We have
next.
two options, huh?
So
This one manual.
the manual is using trigger.
Yes.
Then the second one is
OBD.
OBD. So we will select the OBD.
Yes.
Click the OBD.
Only manual this one.
Turn the ignition on. Engine off. Ready. Lamp off. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Okay. OBD relearn. Please wait.
Finish.
Now it's okay. OBD relearn. Okay. Then next is
Okay. Now
okay.
we'll check, huh? If the light is still on, huh?
Switch off. Then
Start.
restart the car.
Now it's okay.
It's gone.
Okay?
Okay, done. That's all, guys.
Don't forget to remove
Don't
this
forget
one.
to remove the OBD.
Okay. Thank you, guys.